feel a little bit bad for the frog because we have to kill it, but I think it's very interesting. Not mean like killing the frog is interesting, like actually like know what it looks like inside the frog, and it's amazing when you can see when like the heart of the frog is still pumping.
Frog dissection is not that disgusting as you think. It's just a little bit of bloody. And when you open the frog, when you're cutting the stomach of the frog, you can see of all of the part of the frog inside. Like, it's very amazing. We can learn more than what we have learned on our textbook. It's amazing because before, when I am in Malaysia and Taiwan, lab class, their biology class and science class don't have this kind of experience.
Classes I had in the past, they don't really let us do experiments, but here I can like do a lot of experiments to like know what we're learning is how it works in reality, not just in the textbook.
Yes, that helped me because at the very beginning my English is not that good as right now, but through to these 3 years my English have a great improvement, especially on the grammars.